The nerd on crypto is back. FOMO is gonna get you. Don't let the FOMO get you. FOMO, fear of missing out. Remember, when anything is rising, sell at the top, buy at the bottom, buy the dips. Don't buy at the top. That's FOMO talking to you. And then you get fear at the bottom, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose it all, and you sell, and then it goes back up, and oh no, and then you buy it at the top. Friends of mine do it, I'm like, what are you doing? But I'm not a financial advisor. Here's my disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Do not take your hard-earned money and blow it all on crypto, and then come and tell me, you told me, Phil, mortgage nerd, the nerd on crypto, to go ahead and invest my money. No. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I want to educate people on what I've learned about crypto myself. So people say all the time, they're like, well, how do I get this coin or that coin? Coinbase doesn't have a lot of coins. Coinbase is the easiest to get in, easiest to transfer your fiat currency into. So how do you get other altcoins, alternative coins? Alternative is anything that's not Bitcoin. So Dogecoin. Oh, that was a meme coin. It was a joke. And Elon Musk texts about it and it booms. Guess what? I bought Doge at 0.008, under a penny. The day that it boomed up to almost 10 cents, I sold it all at 2.5 pennies or 0.025. And I ended up buying it. I did some FOMO. The FOMO is gonna get you. You're not gonna be able to get away from it. But I'm still way up on my Doge, and it's not something I plan on holding long term. But there are others that I do like that you can get on Binance. So let's look at Binance here. You go to buy crypto up at the top, and then you can select the coin you want. So of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of these you can still find on Coinbase and others. BNB you can't because it's a Binance coin, and that's actually a really good one. I've heard a lot of good things about that one. I own some of that one. Algorand, I actually have that with Coinbase, and it's staking, so I'm making 6% on top of the regular gains. Staking is a whole nother video. Chainlink, you can get in Coinbase VeChain, VET. That's a very good one. Cardano's a very good one. Stellar Lumens you can get in Coinbase. Engine I never bought. It had huge returns, and Raven huge returns lately. Didn't buy that one either. But you can see that there's a lot. Dogecoin that you can buy here that you can't buy in other places. VeThor, which is the gas for Vetcoin. I have both of those. Actually, I have 2.2 million of VeThor. I got that one down much lower than it is right now. It's still not a penny, right? Yeah, it's like 0.006. Those are awesome because when they boom, their multiplier effect is huge. It's like penny stocks. But you gotta study them, understand what's behind it. You can't just I bought a garbage one that hasn't done anything in a long time. And either way, Elrond Gold, Uniswap I actually have in Coinbase. But this is where you can come and you can buy the altcoins that you can't get in Coinbase. Remember, you have to transfer from Coinbase to Binance. And then once you're in Binance, then you have to sell, which is a taxable event. Consult your tax advisor, your accountant or CPA to see what it is for you. There are tax sites out there that will do all this math for you. They'll sync them up with your different exchanges, even with your wallets, your cold storage wallet, and it'll put it all together and it'll tell you how much you have to pay in taxes. From my swing trading, I was looking it up the other day, I have to pay taxes on $10,000 of earnings of stuff that I've actually sold, not the stuff that you're hodling. So you have to sell to buy these, so that's a taxable event. Icon is one that I own also. Good stuff. That's how you buy the altcoins, especially the good ones. Some of them you can't even find here. Polkadot's not here. Polkadot's not on Coinbase. I had to go to Uphold to get Polkadot. You can find it on Kraken also. There's also Gemini is another one. I don't know exactly what they have there. They're all different, but do your own research in that sense. Just like do your own research on everything in crypto, because the FOMO's gonna get you, but this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The nerd on crypto is out. Now remember, if you like what you're seeing, Let YouTube and Google know. Let the algorithms know. Smash that like button. Come on, it's easy. Just do it right down there. And over there, you could hit the subscribe and the little bell for notifications so you can see this. Remember, a lot of this is beginner stuff. That's what I'm targeting. I'm somewhat of a beginner. Let's not be high level and techie and crazy and everything. Let's be a little bit nerdy, and that's pretty much it. The Nerd on Crypto, out.